Hello friends, welcome to channel. In this video, we are going to learn counter app and we are going to understand @state property in this video. We are going to make a counter app in SwiftUI. So let's start friends. First we have to take one variable at @state private variable count for counter. Now in body section, we are going to take one vstack, so we don't remove it. Let's keep it is. Now take one text in that display count colon slash count variable. Set font property large title. ठीक है. Now then take a edge stack. We will take buttons in edge stack for increase and decrease counter. प्लस पे काउंट होगा प्लस और इक्वल 1. नेक्स्ट बटन होगा हमारा बटन माइनस MINUS. 1 minute. इसमें होगा काउंट माइनस इक्वल टू 1. Same we are going to add so that we can easily identify button. Like this. ठीक है. Let's इसमें हम पैडिंग अप्लाई बटन स्टाइल अप्लाई कर देते हैं. पैडिंग ready. These are buttons we have added. Now let's run this code and check how our count app work. देखिए प्लस पे काउंट प्लस प्लस हो रहा है. दिस इज इंक्रीजिंग काउंटर. माइनस पे काउंट डिक्रीज हो गया. So guys, this is very basic simple project for very beginner people. So that's it in this project and stay connected for next project.